My name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308 Active finished in Bianca White. With just 50,849 miles, superb value for money at just 7,495. Being the Active model, the car comes packed full of great features, including the 16-inch quartz alloy wheels, and also in the interior features the dual zone climate control and the coloured touchscreen with navigation. Coming round to the rear of the vehicle, it's got the added benefit of rear parking sensors. This car also comes featured with the visibility pack. If you'd like a personalised video, please visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.